Precision, power, professionalism. Meet the all-new Maskscara electronic nail file, crafted from premium stainless steel for durability and ideal for high salon demands. With a staggering 35,000 RPM and power punch torque, it delivers effortless smooth results on every set. The advanced brushless motor ensures whisper-quiet operation and reduced wear, giving you consistent, stable performance all day long. Total control is at your fingertips with dedicated forward, reverse and pause functions for seamless workflow. Switching bits is fast as ever with a twist lock handpiece designed for a busy professional who doesn't have a second to waste. The Maskscara E-File. Super silent, super powerful, super professional, and a true pleasure to work with.